Where's the basketball?
I don't know. I think it went down there, but it's dark, so I'm scared.
Yeah, there's one.
It's glow in the dark, so it makes some light. Since we have like a little light up there.
Guys, what was that? Guys, what is that?
I don't know. What is that?
Okay, just forget about it.
Just don't like. It's not. There's a lot of sounds at night, so like. It's coyotes and like.
Yeah, they never even come out.
Coyotes are like more scared of us than we are scared of them.
Okay, so let's just forget about it. It's a mess.
Guys, that thing I don't know how this started to move. Oh well, it's just wind.
Yeah, that's why everything's moving, like someone's swinging on it.
I don't what? I don't know. It's just wind.
Come on.
Nice, Kira. Can I take a shot?
You're the cameraman. Look, the stuff proving. It's a butt work.
Kira, gosh, they don't have
it's possessed.
Give me your ball.
That's you. It's possessed.
Hey, am I sleeping at your house? Did your mom say yes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Do you have your key?
No.
Don't look at me. Wait, Sarah.
Let me check. Let me check this one. No, I don't have my key.
Well, wait. Sarah?
Then
Bad news.
what about
Bad news.
what? You don't have your key? I put it in my coat, but I put my coat. Oh my god.
So that means we're locked out of the house.
Yes. Great. No, we have nothing.
God! Dude, what was that shadow?
Oh no. What was that?
I don't know. Guys.
Just forget about it. Just pretend we're just playing basketball and like the light.
Normally, as we always do.
Yeah, just be like having fun. Like, hey, you want to play knockout?
Always at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, we like do this like at 1 o'clock.
Dude, it got closer. Okay, guys. You really think a wind can make a banging noise on a tree thing? Oh no, my ball! It just fell on the hill.
Then what do? We don't have a ball. We don't have a key. We don't have a house. We don't have an animal.
We're stuck.
We're stuck on the middle of a court.
I don't
and
know.
like Texas. Holy shit! What the heck?